Hey everybody, thanks for joining me here at Bitcoin and Crypto News. Today is December 31st, 2020, and today we're going to look at some of the top news stories in the wild world of crypto. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. That really helps the channel grow, and please subscribe for more videos. Before we get into the news, let's take a look at the market. Alright, and Bitcoin is continuing its climb up, currently up 1.6% for the day, trading at $28,676. Ethereum is at $742, up a little bit less than 1% for the day. We have XRP basically even for the day, trading at 22 cents. Litecoin is down 1.2% for the day, trading at $124. Polkadot is continuing its incredible week, up 72% for the week, and another 8.9% for the day, trading at $8.19. Bitcoin Cash down just under 2% for the day, trading at $344. We have Cardano at 18 cents, down half a percentage for the day. Binance Coin right around 1% down for the day, trading at $37.28. And we have Chainlink trading basically even for the day at $11.37. Alright, and that's how the top 10 looks. Let's take a look and see who's the best performer for the day. We have Uniswap up 19.5% for the day, trading at $4.95. Decred is up 12.9%, trading at $41.91. Theta Network is continuing its great week, up 12%, trading at $1.80. Alright, that's enough of the price action. Let's get into the news. First up, another day, another exchange looking to stop trading XRP. eToro US announced on Thursday that it will stop allowing purchases or conversion for US customers effective January 3rd. Though customers can still withdraw XRP from eToro to other unaffiliated addresses, so that is yet another exchange that is halting their trading services for XRP in the new year due to all the uncertainty with what will come from the lawsuit filed by the SEC. It seems that most exchanges, especially those in the US, are going to have to play a bit of a waiting game and see how the court case goes before allowing XRP to operate on their exchange again. While it appears the XRP sell-off will continue, Bitcoin whales have reached a new all-time high. The recent climb in whale holders of Bitcoin is not only due to the increase in price, but the belief that Bitcoin is becoming more mainstream and a legit reserve asset that companies should have on their balance sheet. Data shows that the cryptocurrency is going through a shift from being a speculative asset to a macro investment, and that shift is mainly being driven by the increasing acceptance from global institutions as well as investors around the world. The number of whale wallets, which is defined as a single wallet with at least 1,000 Bitcoin, rose to a new record high of 1,944 wallets. The previous peak was all the way back in December 18th of 2016, which peaked at 1,969 wallets. This is an increase of over 16% during the past year and 7.3% this quarter alone. Speaking of whales, our next story is about Warren Buffett. A moment that will go down in history is when billionaire investor Warren Buffett called Bitcoin rat poison squared. This happened back in an interview where the crypto had just passed $9,000. And here's a clip from that video.
About 5 years ago, we asked Charlie Munger, we were sitting right there, what he thought of Bitcoin, and he said, rat poison. Back then it was about $100+ per Bitcoin. Today it's 9,000. Is it still rat poison?
Well, probably rat poison squared.
So only time will tell if the Oracle from Omaha will warm to Bitcoin and finally put some of his massive stockpile of cash into Bitcoin, or if he will just continue to watch the value of his cash slowly dwindle away. But remember, he was notoriously late to invest in things like Apple, so Bitcoin will not be the first opportunity that he misses out on. But with a net worth of over $85 billion, and that's billion with a B, that gives him some freedom to miss an investment here or there. Recently on Twitter, Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, offered his take on how Ripple could have handled its large holdings of XRP better. In responding to a tweet that Ripple's biggest sin was the way the company managed its holdings of more than half of the total supply of XRP, Schwartz asked his followers, "What do you think we should have done? As soon as there was a market price, giveaways stopped working. At first, we were giving it away. Everyone who wanted it was using it, but once it had a market price, giveaways were just gamed by people who immediately sold, and they caused huge collateral damage. Regardless of what should have or could have been done, that is in the past, and Ripple must now wait until their hearing with the SEC. It is unfortunate that Ripple is finally getting the news coverage that many of its supporters felt it deserved. Just now, it is not about how it's better than Visa and could be a form of money transfer across the globe, but instead about potentially mishandling funds and selling an unregistered security. The next few months will definitely be interesting to see how XRP and the Ripple company come out of this, with their date in court set to begin in February. Next up, we have some Satoshi-Era Bitcoins that are on the move. A stack of Bitcoin that was created more than 10 years ago, worth millions of dollars, is on the move, seemingly out of nowhere. The stash consists of 1,000 Bitcoin, worth approximately $26.6 million at the time of writing. These 1,000 Bitcoins were spent in 20 separate transactions of 50 Bitcoin each. According to Glassnode, about 94% of Bitcoin that are currently dormant were mined over 10 years ago. They also revealed that there are currently 1.78 million Bitcoin lying dormant. With around 18.5 million Bitcoin currently circulating, the percentage of dormant coins is around 9.6%. If you've been in the space for a while, it's definitely nice to see that someone can move Bitcoins from over 10 years ago without a panic taking over the market, due to fear that this could be Satoshi finally unloading his Bitcoin. This is yet another sign of the market's ever-growing stability. Alright, and last up, we have a first in the world of crypto. A physical bank is opening. A bank in India named Unica is claiming it is the first of its kind in the world, where its users can transact in fiat or crypto. Currently, they plan to open 14 locations in January and onboard 25,000 customers by the first quarter of 2021. After that, their plans are to expand to 100 branches by 2022. One can only imagine what the price of Bitcoin may be in 2022. This news may be isolated to India at the moment, but it's definitely something that I can see transpiring across the globe in the years to come. Alright, and that's all the news I have for you today. I want to thank you for joining me here today, and if you liked the video or found the information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Also, let me know what you think in the comments section. Do you think Warren Buffett will ever buy some rat poison and allocate some of his funds into Bitcoin? Also, if you had 1,000 Bitcoins, would you still be holding them, or would you have sold it years ago? Let me know what you think down below. As always, the links will be in the description. I'd like to wish you a happy and healthy new year, and hope you're excited about 2021 as I am. Thanks again for joining me, and remember, buy the dips, stack sats, and chill.